Achieving high levels of indoor air quality by delivering clean, disinfected air throughout buildings is key to occupant well-being and productivity. Utilizing proven IAQ technology is a primary focus of building owners and HVAC design, construction, and operations teams. Inside buildings, airborne microorganisms are a constant presence and can be transmitted throughout the building interior via the HVAC system. These microorganisms include bacteria and viruses such as SARS-CoV-2 and influenza, which, due to their small particle size, can pass through well-designed filtration systems. Coil fouling can also contribute to poor indoor air quality, as biofilms spur the growth of mold and bacteria, which can then enter the airstream, negatively impacting the well-being of building occupants and overall productivity. UVDI VMAX UV-C Air Disinfection technology provides effective, independently proven airstream disinfection, delivering over 99% inactivation of SARS-CoV-2, influenza, and other common viruses and bacteria. VMAX UV-C technology is designed to fit any size application to meet the demands of any project and space. VMAX Grid can be used in air handling units, rooftop units, and other plenum and duct applications designed for flexible and simple installation, conveniently housing the ballasts inside the struts. VMAX is available in multiple UV-C lamp sizes, all manufactured at UVDI's California headquarters, rigorously tested for performance in demanding environments, certified to leading international quality standards, and globally trusted in over 10,000 facilities. VMAX UV-C Air Disinfection, proven airstream disinfection for occupant well-being and increased productivity.